Okay, so here we're being asked to put the steps in the right order to complete the process for calculating a percentage change. Now there are 5 general steps to finding the percentage change of a particular variable, and we already have steps 3 and 5 identified for us. We need to identify the first, second and fourth step. Now the first step of finding the percentage change is to identify the old value, which is what the variable is increasing from, and the new value, which is what the variable is increasing to, and then dividing those values by each other. So the division part of the percentage change is the first step in the process. Then once you've done that, you need to subtract away from that fraction 1, which then allows you to be able to start putting and converting this value into percentage form. And you go about doing that by multiplying by 100, and then rounding to 2 decimal places allows you to simplify the percentage change you're dealing with. And finally, of course, not to forget the units, you have to add on a percentage sign to remind you that you're dealing with a percentage change here. And that, of course, can either be positive or negative, depending on what type of percentage change you are looking at. So putting it into the correct order then, the process of finding the percentage change of a particular variable is to do the division, then subtract 1, then multiply by 100, then round to 2 decimal place, and finally add on the percentage sign.